Here are the 8 most important YouTube settings that have helped me get a lot of videos with thousands of views here on my YouTube channel as a new creator on YouTube. Honestly, I wish that I knew these settings at the beginning of my YouTube journey, but lucky for you that is watching, I'm going to be revealing these 8 settings so that you yourself can apply it on your channel and start seeing better results on your YouTube channel. And if you have any question at the end of this video, remember to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do remember to like, share, and smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Alright, let's get right to it. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to always add SEO keywords to your file name by re-editing it before uploading it on YouTube. The reason why this is actually important is because this will help YouTube to match your videos with what people are searching for, leading to better views on your YouTube channel. If you are to take a good look at my YouTube folder right now, you will discover that all my videos are all carrying words, or rather keywords, that relate to what the video is all about, and this actually helps my channel. So if you start applying it on your YouTube channel, I can guarantee you for a fact that you are going to see better results on that your YouTube channel. The second upload setting that you should always utilize is your playlist. Always make sure that you are categorizing all your videos into different playlists, because this is so important. Because when people are watching your video, when you put those videos on a playlist, they will be seeing similar videos on that playlist below the video, which means they will be able to watch that video. And also, another reason why it's important to categorize your videos into playlists is that it's going to help people to bench watch your video, because when viewers are to come to your channel and they are to watch one video on your playlist, they will be able to watch much more videos on that your playlist, leading to much more watch hours on that your YouTube channel. So if you are a YouTube creator that is looking for much more watch hours on your channel, it is advisable that you start putting your videos into playlists, so that when people have been watching your videos, your watch hours is going to be increasing. So if you are not utilizing playlists yet, I will advise that you start utilizing it right now on your YouTube channel. Now, the third settings have to do with your video visibility. If by now you are still uploading your video on public mode immediately, then you are making a very huge mistake. The correct way to go about this is to always schedule your video or unlist your video for few hours or 24 hours before allowing that your video to go public, because this will give YouTube enough time to analyze your video data, leading to better views on your YouTube channel. So make sure you try that, or rather utilize that on your channel, and come and thank me later, because you are definitely going to see better results once doing that on your YouTube channel. The fourth setting have to do with you checking when your viewers, or rather your returning viewers, are way more active here on YouTube. And you can easily do that with your YouTube Studio app. So you can use that to check when your viewers and your subscribers are most active, so that you'll be uploading your videos, or rather scheduling your videos to go live, or rather go public at that exact time when they're active, so that they will be able to watch your video. Because you know that once you upload a video and a lot of people are watching that video, that's when YouTube is going to push that video out to a larger audience. So if you can get that exact time where your viewers are always active and you're uploading at that time, it's going to lead to better results on that YouTube channel. So I advise that you guys do not overlook this trick, because this trick have actually helped me on a lot of videos I've uploaded. So I'm 100% sure that it's going to help you when you're uploading videos on that your YouTube channel. Now, the fifth uploading trick have to do with you finding the right keywords, finding the right hashtag, and also finding the right description to use for your video, so that YouTube will understand your videos better. And the answer to that is ChatGPT. So whenever you are about to upload your videos on YouTube, make sure to go to chatgpt.com and then ask it to give you a description that is filled with a lot of keywords, and also that is filled with hashtags for that your video title, and it's going to do just that. Then what you have to do is just copy it, paste it on your video while uploading, and I guarantee you that you see better results, because ChatGPT is what have been helping me for my description, my tags, my hashtags, everything that I've been doing on my channel. I mostly use ChatGPT. So once you start using that on your channel, I can guarantee you that you see some really good results on that your YouTube channel. The sixth upload settings have to do with how you structure your title when you're about to upload that to YouTube video. And my advice for you guys is that whenever you're about to pick a title for your video, always make sure that you do a little bit of research. Go on YouTube, look at your fellow creators and the titles that they are using that is giving them a lot of views, and then copy that idea and use that titles on your own videos, so that you yourself can start seeing better results. Because your title is super important, because your title is what can stop someone from scrolling. If your title is super catchy, when someone is scrolling and then they see your title, before you know it, they will just stop, and then they will have to watch your video, because your title have captivated them. So always make sure that you are doing a lot of research before picking your title, because your title is what is going to determine if your video is going to flop or your video is going to get a lot of views. So make sure that everything that I've said on this video, that you utilize them. Although I've mentioned 6 settings, and on the title of this video I actually said 8 settings, but my generator is about to turn off because I didn't buy enough fuel for my gen. So I'm going to have to end the video in here. But on my next video, I'm going to give you guys the remaining two settings that I failed to provide on this video. So thanks for watching once again, and our advice that you smash that subscribe button and stay connected to my channel, because everything that I upload is going to help your channel to grow. So I will see you guys on my next video.